Another very simple video. I'm going to show you how to jump start a car. Very simple. Takes about 5 minutes if you know what you're doing. Probably less, probably about a minute to be honest. I can explain it in less than a minute. So obviously you need jumper cables. Positive's red, negative is black. Hook up the side that has or the vehicle that you're jumping first. Look at your jumper cables and be a positive and negative somewhere on them. There's positive. Just clip it to the post. That's a little post because I have subs in this truck. Then hook up the vehicle you're going to jump it from. Turn on the vehicle you're going to jump it from. And let it sit for about a minute, and that's how you jump start a vehicle. And then go start the vehicle that you're wanting to jump start. Actually, you can see it already has power. That light right there shows that this vehicle that was bid just a minute ago has power. But one thing I left out, when you're removing these or you're installing them, make sure these two jumper cables don't touch each other. I typically set them down like this.